Hello, welcome back. In today's lesson, we will talk about derives relationships of geometric figures using measurement and inductive reasoning. Lesson 2.1 is about complementary and supplementary angle. Okay, complementary angles. If the sum, again, if the sum of the measurements of two angles. Okay, complementary is a relationship between two angles. Kung ang ilang sum is 90 degrees, then the angles are called complementary. Tanawa sa diagram. Example, na duha ka angle diri sa diagram. Natay 30 degrees, 60 degrees. These are called complementary. Kaya ang ilang sum is 30 plus 60, 90 degrees. Or pwede po, okay, money. Same ra. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles is the relationship between two angles if the sum of the measurements of those two angles is 180 degrees. Okay, example ani, we have two angles here, 120 ang usa 60. Ang ilang sum is 180 degrees. So these angles are called supplementary angles. Now let's solve some problems involving complementary angles. We have example number 1. A and B are complementary angles. Given A equals 37 degrees, find the value of B. Now, A and B class, nasa lahi relationships. Ang ilang relationship is complementary silang duha. It signifies that A plus B equals 90 degrees. Kay complementary man, di ba? Ilang total kay 90 degrees. Now, natay value ni A, which is 37 degrees. Ato ni siya is-substitute ni A. We have 37 degrees plus B equals 90 degrees. Now, ato pangitaon class ang value ni B. To do that, dapat mawala ni si 37 degrees diri o dapat si B ray mabilin. So, ato siya may nusan og 37 degrees. Kung nag-minus tag 37 degrees, maupod atong buhaton sa pikas. 37 degrees kay nga naman, it is equality man class, no? Equality. So, dapat fair siya. Kung nag-minus ta sa pikas side, dapat mag-minus po ta sa pikas side. It is called the subtraction property of equality. Okay? Subtraction property of equality. Now, 37 plus 37, that's 0. So, mabinlan ta direct B equals 90 minus 37, that is 53 degrees. So, muna itong answer class. B is 57. Oh, wait. B is... Okay, this time let's solve problems involving supplementary angles. Example 2, A and B are supplementary angles. Given A equals 76 degrees, find the value of B. Okay. Now, A and B, ang ilang relationship class is supplementary sila. Okay. So, A plus B equals 180 degrees. Now, we have the value of A given it A is 76 degrees, then plus B 180 degrees. Now, our task is to find the value of B. To do that, dapat again mawa ni si 76 diri ato siya minusan og 76. Minusan. The same sa pikas pod, minusan siya 76 degrees. Dapat fair. This process is called subtraction property of equality. Now, 76 plus negative 76 plus 76, that's 0. Or mabinlan tag B na lang diri kay 0 naman. Equals 180 minus 76, that is 104 degrees. That's our answer. We have the value of B, 104 degrees. Lesson 2.2 is about congruent and vertical angles. Let's talk first about vertical angles. Vertical angles are angles that are opposite to each other when two lines across and have the same vertex. Vertical angles are equal. Okay. Kaya ako i-draw, no? Kung na kuno line kuno nga mag-across, okay? Mag-cross ana or mag-intersect. Okay. Ang iyang opposite nga angle, kani nga angle diri o kani nga angle diri. Okay? Kaning angle are called vertical angles. And vertical angles are equal. Next, let's move to congruent angles. Are angles that having the same measurements or equal measurements. They don't have to point in the same direction. They don't have to be similar size lines. Congruent angles class, ang iyang definition agad is equal, the same, pareha. Okay. Okay, money vertical angles class. We have nay duha ka line nga nag-across no or nag-intersect. Yan, nas like common vertex here kani. Mo lang common vertex kani mo lang common vertex. Now 2 and 4, di ba? Si 2 ug 4 opposites. 2 and 4 are vertical angles. We have angle 2 is congruent to angle 4. Pareha silang size or angles. Measurement of angles, I mean. Angle 3 and angle 1 are opposites. They called vertical angles. Now, maybe you have a notion about vertical, no? Vertical meaning upright or pabarog. But in this sense, ang vertical nga word diri nagpasabot di siya vertex, okay? The same siya vertex. Manang itawag siya vertical angles. Now, let's solve the unknown number in vertical angles. Now, we have here vertical angles, no? Opposites. We have 2x degrees and 74 degrees. Now, we all know nga ang relationship between vertical angles are equal or congruent. So, therefore, si 2x degrees is just equal to 74 degrees. Now, let's find the value of the unknown, which is x ang gipangita diri. To do that, okay, ato sa kapihon balik. Ato siya i-divide by 2, no? Para si x ray mabilin. So, 2 divided by 2, that's 1, or we have x. Then 74 divided by 2 is 37. So x is 37 degrees. Ano ka simple class? If you have question, just PM me in Messenger. Okay, next lesson 2.3, adjacent angles. The two angles are said to be adjacent angles when they share the common vertex and side. So sa Bisaya pa class, adjacent angles, angles nga nagsikit, nagtapad. Okay, pareha ani. We have angle AOC. Okay, natay AOC diri, napotay angle COB. Okay, COB. AOC and COB are adjacent angles. Tanawa nga naman, nasa like common vertex. Okay, nasa like common vertex, nasa like common arm. Ang ilang common arm kay Ray OC, okay? Mao nilang common arm ay. Okay, makita niyo, mao nilang common arm. Okay, common arm, OC. Di maklaro. Okay, lesson 2.4, linear pairs. Two angles form a linear pair if they have common vertex. Okay, next, common arm. Their interior does not overlap. The sum of the two angles is 180 degrees. In other words, linear pairs are angles nga adjacent gihapon class. Nagsikit, nagtapad, but ang ilang sum is 180 degrees. Okay, tanawa sa example ani. Si angle 1, okay, si angle 1 is ang iyang linear pair kay angle 2. Nag-form man siya 180 degrees. The same po si angle 1, ang iyang linear pair also is 4. 1 and 4 are linear pairs. 4 and 3 are linear pairs. 3 and 2 are linear pairs. Money. Linear pairs na 3, angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 4, angle 3 and angle 4, angle 3 and angle 2. So the last topic is about perpendicular and parallel lines. So parallel lines are parallel if they are equidistant and will never meet. The symbol 2 vertical lines is used to indicate parallel lines. So money, sa tanawas diagram ninyo class, we have two lines here. Ang kaning okay, equidistance na sila. Point from one side to other point, equidistant. Okay, and they will never meet manang parallel lines. Next, we have perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are lines or rays or segments that intersect to form right angle. Okay, if na duha ka line mag-intersect last, then mag-form siya right angle. It is called perpendicular lines. Right angle measures 90 degrees class. Okay? Example na mag-meet right angle na kani po diri right angle po ni diri. Okay? Kung na right angle usa pasabot ana the rest of the angles are right angle also. It means measures 90 degrees. That's it. You are done with lesson 2. See you on other lessons in lesson 3. Goodbye.